Hi, let's do a recitation of sound today and word spelling as well. So let's go. We have the owl sound. This is hour. This is a word on its own, okay? But they want us to see how it sounds when it is being combined with another letter. That is the way we normally do it alphabetically, how it's going to be pronounced. Some of the words here are meaningful four-letter words, where some are just sounds. If you're just joining me, check out our other videos so that you understand what I'm trying to say on this very part. So right here we're going to be working it alphabetically like we normally do. So let's see how it's going to sound when the alphabets of English language are added to it. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, hwa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, zo, yo, zo. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, hwa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, zo, yo, zo. So we have ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, hwa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, so, yo, zo. Remember, the essence of we doing this is for us to be able to pronounce an organized sound. Okay, so let's go. Now let's try seeing words that has this maybe at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end. So let's go. The very first word I would like us to try is courage. Courage. Okay, someone the courage to talk to me. Courage. Now let's go. We have boko. Okay, so with this already I have ko. What will it take me to have courage? I'll just add h, but with this word, this r we go with the rage. Okay, remember I have explained something like this, that the organizing of letters depends on the word that is to be written out. That is how a word sound is to be paired, depend on that particular word that you want to write. I gave example of percentage and percent. Now if I'm to write percent, this is how it's going to be. These two words are the same, just addition of suffix actually changed what it is. Okay, now this is percent. This is how I splitted it, percent, and that is how it is being pronounced. But for me to write percentage, I have pair. This is my pair. Okay, the cent. Now it is cent and not cent, and my age will now carry my t. My age carried the t, so I have percentage. But right here the t is here, percent. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So that is what happened right here. For somewhere you're going to see the r going with this sound, but for somewhere you're going to see it go to the next sound. But in all the cases, this actual sound will actually come out right in that particular word. But what I'm trying to say is you should know when it goes to this or when it's with this one. Okay, so the very first word we are able to produce from our today's sound is courage. Let's try devour. Like a lion devours its prey. Let's see. So devour, there we have they. Okay, they, and the vor, we go to vor here. This is vor. Okay, you can recite it to be sure. We have the vor. So put together devour. Now let's try one beginning part. Let's try the jaw sound, jaw. So I have jaw, all right, and the addition of ne like this, journey. All right, let's try another one. We can have journal. This is joe, and if I add the now, I have journal. All right, let's equally try this. This is saw. Okay, the s B-O-U-R. We have so. Now if I add C, I have source. To source for something. Let's try Tor. This is Tor, the T-O-R, and I can add I-S-T, the east and then part, and I'm just gonna have tourist. Let's try another one. Labor. So I go to my lay. Now for this word, it's gonna be sounding A and not A. So this is lay, lay. Okay, so I go to this bo. Okay, I pick my bo. I have labor. This is labor. Let's try another one. Now this is poor. I can change this to become the poor. I'll just go straight to the, okay, and add the poor, and I'm gonna have vapor put together. This is vapor put together. Again, let's try color. The law sound, we have law. Remember, bo, ko, do, fo, go, ho, jo, color. Okay, so I want to write color. So I'm just gonna write my ko. Okay, ka, se, si, ko. Okay, this is ko. All right, and I add my law. I have color put together. So this is color. Can you see how it is flowing? Okay, let's try the word splendor. Okay, I'm just gonna write my splen. This is spulent. This is pu. This is lane. Splendor. I have splendor. Okay, another one. Let's try parlor. I'm gonna go right here and write my pa. The pa has R because it's a little bit lengthier in pronunciation. Now I add my law, not raw law. So I have pa law put together, parlor. Okay, let's try harbor. So I have ha. Okay, this is pa, this is ha. Are we good? Now harbor. We have the bo, the B-O-U-R. This is bo. Okay, I don't actually know what is wrong with my marker today. Just pardon me. So we have harbor. All right, so you can see how it goes like that. All right, should we look for one again? I have 4. This is number 4. Now I have this law. If I add F to this place, I'm gonna have floor. Okay, this is what? Floor. All right, and right here, this is pronounced as hour. Not hour. Hour. It is a word on its own. When this word is pronounced, the H is usually silent. It is pronounced as hour and not hour, but it is hour. Okay, we equally have your, like it is yours. This is your. Okay, so we have some meaningful words here as well as just sounds. All right, so let's see, we are able to come up with courage, devour, journey, journal, source, tourist, labor, vapor, color, splendor, parlor, harbor. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys on today's class. If you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Let me know if actually you benefited from today's lesson in the comment section. And that being said, if you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here we learn how to read, write, and speak. So if you find what we do here interesting, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that's the only way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Keep staying safe. See you in our next class, and bye for now.